Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to send money with Viber Pay or Viber Pay wallet. So let's get started. Now first off, just go ahead and open up your Viber app. Then you will be on your home screen. So from your home screen, head over to the Pay section of the app right here. Now, once you're on the Pay section of the app, to send money to someone using Viber Pay, you would need to tap on the Send option right here. Now in this menu you have two different ways of sending money, or two different options. So the first one is a bank transfer, which also supports international bank transfers. And the second choice is using one of your contacts. So if your contact has Viber Pay enabled, you will be able to send them money through your Viber Pay. So let's, for this example, select the bank transfer. Now, once you tap on bank transfer, you would need to input the bank number or the IBAN of the person that you're sending money to, their first name and their last name. Now, after you inputted all the requested info, just go ahead and tap on Add and Continue. Now, after that, you will be able to input the amount of funds that you would like to transfer to the person. So let's say €1. And as you can see, there are no fees associated. So you can also input a reference note if you want, and then just tap on Confirm and Continue. And once you tap on Confirm and Continue, this transaction will be sent to the person that you're sending money to. So essentially, that's guys how you can send money to someone using Viber Pay. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.